Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course I'll be showing you to fix this error as seen on screen here that says Twitter keeps stopping and it says app info close send feedback. And of course this is a error that might happen after using your device for a while where apps might crash. Now apps can crash for several reasons. Among them is that the app may become unstable and needs updating, or of course it might be corrupted, and as a result of the corruption it's malfunctioning. Alright, so if you're seeing this particular issue with Twitter, simply follow my tutorial. All right, so of course I'm just going to exit this as a screen grab just to show you what the error looked like. Mine is now fixed, but of course I'll just show you how to deal with the error. All right, so the first thing you want to do, guys, if you're getting the error, is to make sure you're connected to the internet. And once you're connected to the internet, guys, simply go ahead and you're going to go into the Google Play Store. Once you're in the Google Play Store, let me go back to the main page. Simply tap the lines up here. That's seen right over here. 3 lines upper left. Once you're here, go to My Apps and Games. Of course, in My Apps and Games, you should go ahead and search. And once you search, it should show you if there are any updates. If you see Twitter, just go ahead along with the other apps and hit update. Another faster way would be to search for Twitter itself. So simply go ahead and search for Twitter. Once you find Twitter as seen here, see if you can find the option to update right here. Let me bring this a bit closer. So simply look out for the update option that should be shown in the upper right hand corner and hit update. Now of course it does mean that there always going to be an update for Twitter. So just in case it's not an update based issue, next you're going to go to settings. Once you're in settings, search for app or apps. So simply scroll down. On some devices might say application. So simply go to apps. You're going to search for Twitter. You can use the search feature or scroll until you find it. So Twitter, there you go, tap. Now once you're in here, you're just going to go ahead and of course you're going to go into storage. Once you're in storage, you should see 2 options here. One that says clear cache, clear data. So go ahead and clear cache, then clear data. I'm not going to do it on this device. Once you clear cache and clear data, what should happen next is that it should erase all your data related to your current session that you're signed into. Once you're finished, simply go ahead again. And what you're going to do from here is you're going to find Twitter. Once you find Twitter as here, you're simply going to go ahead again and launch. And once you do it once more, what's going to happen is that you are being requested to sign in. So to simply enter your name, username, and of course password and log back in. Now in case that didn't fix the issue, you're going to go ahead this time, you're going to long press the application and of course it gives you some options. Simply search for the option that says uninstall. So as you can see right there, there's a small option that says uninstall. Go ahead and tap uninstall, uninstall the application. Simply go back to the Google Play Store. Once you're here, search for Twitter and then install the app. And of course by doing this, you should be able to fix the issue, as sometime uninstalling the app and installing it afresh should be able to fix the error where it's crashing. And of course those are the major things that you can do to stop the Twitter app from crashing. And of course this is on any version of Android. Things might be a little bit different in terms of looks, but of course the main components or the main issues relating to this should work out the same. Alright guys, this has been Ricardo Gardner as usual with another tech tutorial. If you have any questions or of course any suggestions, go ahead and leave them below in the comments. Ricardo Gardner saying bye.